Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your ButterStash.com tutorial on how you can start Windows Media Center when Windows starts. A friend was making a PC into a media machine. Want to know if you could have Media Center start automatically? And indeed you can, and here's how. Click on Start, All Programs, then look up here, you'll see Windows Media Center. Now don't confuse this with Windows Media Player, they're two different things. So we'll click on that. So now Windows Media Center has loaded. You're going to want to scroll down through here, move down until you find, oops, I went past it. You want to find Tasks. There we go. And here are Settings. We'll click on that. And now you're going to want to click on General. Now right here at the top you see Startup and Window Behavior. And you'd go right down here to start Windows Media Center when Windows starts. You want to check that box. It's also wise to leave this one checked, show warning before displaying web pages that are not designed for Windows Media Center. Then all you have to do is click Save, and the next time you start your computer, Windows Media Center will start right when Windows starts, which means you can have your PC devoted to strictly playing media. And that's all there is to it. Hey, this is Doc. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to put your own content on the web, go get domain names from hover.com. Just visit hover.com/butterscotch and you'll get 10% off and support shows like these. Thanks.